Hello guys, I welcome you to my channel Laser Graphics and Multimedia. My name is Rafi Yaku, and in this video I'm going to teach you how you can make offer on Offerup. Now, the first thing you need to do is to open up your Offerup like this. You can access Offerup with your Google Chrome, or you can access it via the Offerup app, and all you have to do is to connect your VPN, and then you launch the app, or you go to www.offerup.com and enter the site. So when you enter the site, the next thing you have to do is to scroll down and search for the products you want to make offer for. Now, you need to take note of one thing. Before you can make offer on Offerup website, you must have verified your phone number. That is the most important thing, because without phone number verification, you will not be able to have access to the features, and you will be limited to do so many things on the website. But if you are the type that find it difficult to verify your phone number with a US phone number, you can contact me via the phone number on the screen of this video. I will be able to work it out for you and see how you can get your phone number verified successfully and be able to use all the features on the website. So now let's say I want to make offer for this desktop here. You can see this desktop go for $200, right? Now, before we make offer, we need to read detail about the product. So let's scroll down. You click on see more. When you click on see more, you can see the product information, iTech Core 3, 8 gig RAM, 320 hard drive, Windows 10, and the Wi-Fi, wireless mouse and keyboard, webcam, Adobe Photoshop has been installed, 20-inch monitor, and so on and so forth. So now, if you can click on the product picture like this and see more pictures of the products. When you slide this way, you see more picture, right? You can see. Okay, this is a workable and laptop, so you can see it's a Windows 10. Now, to make offer, all you have to do is to click on make offer. So when you click on make offer, it's going to open up this way. Now, instead of $200, I can come here and say, can this go for $120? Yeah. Then click on make offer. Wow. You can see offer has been sent, and we'll be expecting the response from this particular seller. So this is how you make offer on Offerup, and I hope you guys learn one or two things in this video. If you want to verify your phone number so that you'll be able to have access to all the features on Offerup, contact the phone number on this screen. Let us talk business. And thank you guys for watching this video from the beginning to the end. Hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.